Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can search by latitude and longitude on your Google Maps app. So let's get right into it. So you can very easily do this. You don't need to access any additional functionality or any tool within Google Maps. If you're using the app or the web browser version, you can very easily use the search option and just put in the coordinates there. So what you can do, if you want to add coordinates, you can just click on the search and then you can add your coordinates here. As you can see, I already tried searching for some, but for example, let's say 35.233 something 1, and let's say like that, and then just type n and then comma, and then I don't know, let's say 30 point something west. And as you can see, you have those coordinates here. Just click on it, and that's exactly going to tell you which coordinates they are. This is pretty much in the middle of which ocean? Let me just, in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean. So let me just modify the west coordinates to, for example, not 60, let's say 100 west. And now it's going to show me a location in the US, and this is right above, I'm pretty sure that's Route 40, right within Oklahoma, or maybe not in Oklahoma, it's in Texas, right on the border of Texas and Oklahoma. And as you can see, it's right there on the interstate, and that's pretty much how you can search for coordinates. You can do that pretty much as easily on the mobile and the web version, as I've mentioned. And as you can see, you'll have both the coordinates listed out in degrees, minutes, and seconds, and you'll also have them as points, coordinate points with a comma or period for decimals. And yeah, that is pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.